Syft AI just launched, and in this review, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this groundbreaking software. If you're looking for a new AI tool to help you streamline processes, boost productivity, and stay ahead of the curve, keep watching, because Syft AI could be the answer you've been waiting for. But before we dive in, let me quickly mention that you can try Syft AI for free right now through the first link in the description. No strings attached, just a chance to see for yourself if this is the right tool for you. So, why all the buzz about Syft AI? It's a powerful, newly released software designed to enhance your workflow with AI-backed features. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or business owner, Syft AI aims to make your tasks faster, more efficient, and less time-consuming. Let's get into the details. First, Syft AI is incredibly versatile. It combines multiple tools under one roof, allowing you to automate tedious tasks and free up time for more high-level work. From content generation to research and data analysis, this software is designed to integrate seamlessly into various workflows. So whether you're creating content or managing large datasets, Syft AI can handle it. Second, one of the standout features of Syft AI is its machine learning capabilities. The AI continues to learn as you use it, which means it gets better and more accurate over time. This is crucial for anyone looking to keep up with the rapid pace of technological advancement. Imagine having a tool that not only does the work for you but also gets smarter the more you use it. That's the power of Syft AI. Third, Syft AI's user interface is incredibly intuitive. Even if you're not a tech expert, you'll find it easy to navigate. The layout is clean and the learning curve is minimal. This is a big plus, as it means you can start seeing results almost immediately without having to spend hours getting to grips with the software. The fourth thing you need to know is Syft AI's powerful integration options. It connects with major platforms and tools like Google Drive, Microsoft Office, and Slack. This means you can easily incorporate Syft AI into your existing systems, eliminating the need for complicated setup processes or switching between multiple apps. All your essential tools are in one place, working together. Fifth, Syft AI is built with speed in mind. In today's fast-paced environment, getting things done quickly is a must, and Syft AI delivers. Whether you're generating text, analyzing data, or automating workflows, the speed and efficiency of Syft AI make it a game changer. Time is money, and Syft AI respects that. The sixth thing to consider is Syft AI's affordability. Despite being packed with features, the pricing is extremely competitive. For all that it offers, you're getting incredible value for your money. And as I mentioned earlier, you can try it for free through the link in the description, which allows you to explore the software and see its benefits firsthand without committing upfront. And last but not least, Syft AI has a fantastic customer support team. Whether you're new to AI or just have some specific questions, their support team is quick to respond and incredibly helpful. It's a reassuring factor, especially when you're dealing with a new software that could potentially change the way you work. Now, here's why you should stick around. If you're serious about integrating AI into your workflow, I'll be sharing my recommended AI software tools in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools, I've handpicked the best ones, including Syft AI, for you to try out for free. To recap, Syft AI is a powerhouse for automating tasks, improving productivity, and integrating seamlessly into your current systems. With its machine learning, speed, and ease of use, it's one of the best tools for professionals and businesses alike. Again, if you want to try Syft AI for free, click the link in the description below. And make sure to check out the other AI tools I recommend after testing thousands of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.